Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can install NetBeans 12 on Windows 10. We will also see how we can install Java 14. So for NetBeans you need to definitely have Java on your system. So let's first see how to install Java 14 on Windows 10. For that, first you need to go to the Oracle website. On reaching oracle.com, here you can see the current notification. Java 14 is now available. It has introduced some new feature which we will learn about in our later videos. So click download now. Now you can see the downloads page is visible, Java SE page. So this brings the latest release of Java. Simply go to this page and click on JDK download. Now the download will begin. It has been downloaded. You need to double click on it. You can see the exe file is visible, which is 162 MB. So double click on it to install Java on your Windows 10 operating system. Now the setup is visible to install Java 14. Now click on next. Java will get installed in program files Java JDK 14 folder. If you want to change the location, you can click on change. Right now I'll be keeping the default, but I'll be copying it, the path. Okay, now click on next. Now here you can see the progress is visible. Here the installation is started. Now here you can see we have successfully installed Java. Remember we copied the path. So to avoid any kind of confusion, we will just paste it here. Now we will open the location. Now you can see Java has been installed. Keep this path with you so that we can set the environment variables, which is our next step. Now we'll go to start, type variables, edit the system environment variables. Now click on environment variables. Now all the environment variables are visible. Here you need to set the same path, bin path it should be. Here go to bin and save the path. Now go to the properties, go to the path variable section. Here is the path variable section. Double click on it, or you can just keep the cursor and click on edit. Now look for any location. These are all the paths set for the system, and paste the location, which is the bin location which we saw here. Okay, now you just need to click on OK because you've set the path. On clicking OK, press OK again. Now press OK again. That's it. Now we will check that we have installed it correctly or not. Go to start, type CMD. Now right click so that we can run it as an administrator, which is a very important step. Run as administrator. Now click on yes. On clicking yes, you can see Windows System 32 is visible. Here we will check for the installation that we have installed it successfully or not. Here you can see I have typed Java, then -version to check whether we have installed it successfully or not. On pressing enter, Java 14 should be visible. So guys, we have successfully installed Java 14. We have also seen the path where we have installed it. Now let's download and install NetBeans 12. Go to the browser, type NetBeans, press enter. Now the official website is visible, netbeans.org. The current version is 12. So now we will download it, then install. Click on the official link, netbeans.org. We will add the downloading in the description as well. We have reached the official website. Click on download here. Apache NetBeans 12. LTS means long-term support. So I'll click on download to download it. Now different releases are visible for Windows, Linux and Mac. We are on Windows, so we will download the following for Windows. Click on it to download. This is an exe installer file, as you can see here. Click on the following mirror site to download. The exe file started downloading here. You need to wait for a few minutes. So guys, we have successfully downloaded the exe file for NetBeans 12. Now we will double click to install. So it is configuring the installer. So welcome to the Apache NetBeans 12.0 installer. So the following will get installed. If you want to customize and change this and select the one we need to install, click on customize. Here it is, but I'll keep the default and click on next. The installation size is 690 MB. Now accept the terms. You can read the license agreement here. Click on next. Now the installer is visible here. The path for Apache, it will get installed here under program files. You can change the location from here. We will keep the default. The JDK, if you remember, we have installed Java JDK 14, so it has automatically detected the path. The path for this here. Now click on next. Now keep the same and click on install. Now the installation will begin. So guys, we have successfully installed NetBeans 12 on Windows 10. Click on finish. On the desktop, you can see a shortcut is created. Double click to open. So guys, in this video we saw how we can download and install NetBeans IDE 12. With that, we also downloaded and installed Java JDK 14, which is a must for NetBeans IDE installation. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. For more such videos, subscribe to Amit Things YouTube channel.